Let's go. Yeah. Is that motherfucking two shit, bitch. Hey, don't do no talking. You know, wild turn, nigga, but don't do no talking. Man, you know I'm out here. Motherfucking floss, a lot of fucking bands. Yeah, a lot of fucking bands. I had to chop it up, my nigga Danny, you know he got the bands. Rubber bands in my hands, you know I am that man. I got a chopper gun. Don't make me rope your mans. Smoking on the loud, you know I'm high shit. Got my nigga Pig in the scene, man. If you try my nigga, man, I blow through the scene. Man, you know I'm rude and mean, but you know I'm too clean. Me and my nigga Ty, the goblins on the east. Yeah, and my nigga Monte really beating shit like he Kimbo Slice, you know we doing shit. I don't understand why these niggas got tender dick. Fuck that bitch and then leave her, little pussy bitch. I got a fucking chopper gun, you know I'm shooting shit. Hey, everybody over here in FAB section, a lot of fucking money in FAB section. Don't do no talking, cause I got a deadly weapon. Don't do no talking, cause I will wipe your nose. You know I hang with slag guys, you know they bang 5 ho. And you know I got a couple niggas that bang the 4. And I got fam that bang PJB. If you try my niggas, I shoot for free. Man, I'm busting a lot of fucking heads. A lot of my young soldiers out here busting head. OT Trick to Cali is my best friend. A lot of fucking money on his cell phone. Let me fucking avoid the narcs cause they out here. East side banging, man, they out here. But I'm fucking gone like Buzz Lightyear. Motherfuckers wish they could rap like me, but they can't. Even if I rap their wacky shit, they still can't. I got a lot of rubber bands in my hand. Got these fucking black cat foes on. And I'm riding in a fucking Hellcat on. And I got my Scully, cause I am Scully Slack. If you try my fucking niggas, I'm a fucking slack. Every fucking day I'm gangin' with my fucking mob, man. Every day I'm fucking gangin' with the murder mob, man. My life, baby, fuck a trap life. My life, baby, fuck a trap life. If you wanna die today, I hold my Mac tight.